The government has set up a task force to develop guidelines for the safe phased reopening of the entertainment industry. The announcement was made by Kingston's Mayor Delroy Williams recently. Here's Anthony Lugg with that report.
The Easter and summer holidays were expected to be buzzing with entertainment events island-wide. That quickly changed due to restrictions implemented by the government to contain the spread of COVID-19. Since then, online parties have become the new norm.
Rasta can liberate the people over hills and valleys too.
Recently, some restrictions were lifted, so it's no surprise that promoters were anxiously awaiting details on the plans to restart the entertainment industry. Kingston Mayor Delroy Williams says discussions are ongoing.
The municipality is in dialogue with the Ministry of Culture, with the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Tourism, and also with promoters in looking at ways and the steps to be taken to reopen the entertainment industry.
It's estimated that billions have been lost between the entertainment and sports industry over the last few months. A group of promoters met recently to craft suggestions for the safe reopening of the industry. Another meeting is to be scheduled with government representatives. Kamal Banki is just one of the promoters who attended the meeting.
Based on our discussions also with health officials, we understand the challenges that we're facing also in terms of balancing life and livelihood, and we're completely guided by the Ministry of Health and their protocols. The entertainment industry players really just want to understand how they can operate within the guidelines, and that's what the consultation really was about.
No timeline has been given for the resumption of the issuing of amusement licenses. However, the Kingston mayor said Cabinet is currently discussing the issue. While Jamaicans wait to hear when the green light will be given, it's clear there'll be some changes.
We would have to take into consideration what we have been discussing in terms of social distancing, wearing of masks, and so those protocols would have to be established. I'm certainly that the Most Honourable Prime Minister would also be looking at the number of persons in a venue and how you phase the reopening of the entertainment industry. And when we're speaking about entertainment industry in this setting, we're primarily speaking about events.
A phased opening of the entertainment industry would be critical, which is in line with what other industries are doing, not only in Jamaica, but worldwide. And entertainment, being such a important part of our brand identity as Brand Jamaica, is critical for a lot of employment and economic recovery.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.